to see it. So we have here access here. This is a telescopic steering. So we have to pull the steering upwards. It's the lock here. And then you can see there. So you see that's it. Again, this. Just like that, and that's it. Once it's in, you will install the airbag. Installing the airbag is on that side like that. Like so. Again, the battery is still disconnected, so you put the battery on. Battery terminal disconnected. You have to disconnect the battery terminal while doing the airbag, guys. So the airbag won't trigger. Explode. See it will explode and then it's a little problem. When everything is tight, you can now Huh? my home actually. Huh? That's my home. What do you mean? I don't know. Buses, yeah. Okay.